Good day, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you love cars, DIYs, and basically anything car related, hit that subscribe button and check out my playlist. For today's DIY, guys, I'm gonna teach you on how to adjust the parking brake or the handbrake on your, excuse me, guys, on your Hyundai Eon. Um, some makes the adjustment a bit difficult in terms of instructions. I'm gonna give you the very straightforward instructions on how to adjust your brakes. Okay, so first of all, why do we want to adjust the brakes? So we wanted to adjust the brakes to decrease the play on your handbrake, and also to maximize the brake shoe at the back of your car. And because sometimes your handbrake lever is already maxed out, but you're just been using only half of the brake shoe, so that's a waste. So on today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to simply adjust the uh, parking handbrake level, and also by adjusting your handbrake, this will prevent um, uh, or help you when you're on an inclined road and needs to use the handbrake to be able to build up an RPM to be able to reach the top. Okay. So for this one, you just need a flathead screwdriver, a size 12 wrench, and that's basically it.
A few moments later.
So first thing that you want to do is you will need to remove the cover for the console, which is located right there, right about here. Okay. Now, using your size 12 wrench, this one, place your vehicle on first gear and lower down the lever. Okay. And then using your size 12 wrench, you just need to turn the adjuster nut, this one. What do you call this? You just need to turn this counter rather clockwise. But before I do that, let me just show you guys where we're at. Okay, so let's count the clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 clicks. We're going to adjust it. I'm planning to have it about 3, maybe 4 clicks max. So
12 seconds later.
and aside from just adjusting that using an open wrench, you can actually just remove the size 10 bolt that holds the back part of the center console, and using a ratchet you should be able to adjust it like this. Let me just show you guys real quick. Just looking for the extension, guys. There we go. And a size 12 socket. Just a sec, guys. All right, guys. So this is what you're going to do. Okay, lift the rear part of the panel like that, and then insert your ratchet right at the bottom, like this. Like that. Okay. See it? Okay. So let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's give it a few more turns. Okay. Again, let's test it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. But give it 2 more turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I think that's good. Now, all we need to do is just remove the socket. And right after adjusting the handbrake, all you need to do, guys, is um, return the locking bolt, which is this bad boy. It's a size 10 bolt. Okay. Okay. Let's try to center this using our long nose pliers. Okay. There we go. Alright, guys, so after adjusting the handbrake level, um, all you need to do is just return the size 10 bolt, which I just did, and then uh, return the cover, this one, like that. Okay, and just to show you guys, before we adjusted the brake, it was 7 clicks, right? Now let's go ahead and try it once again. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that's how easy it is to adjust the parking brake lever or your basically handbrake for your Hyundai Eon. And right before we wrap this up, of course, we need to test it out. Maybe the tension of your handbrake is too tight. The rear brakes are engaged, so we don't want that to happen. So let's move the vehicle forward. Okay, and backwards. Okay, so I'm not feeling anything, and you can see it's not as high anymore. Great. So, and that concludes our DIY for today, guys. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right beside it for you to be updated on my latest vlogs. Again, this is Mark. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you guys on the next vlog.